For months, astronomers across the world have been tracking 3I Atlas, a mysterious object that entered our solar system from deep interstellar space. It wasn't supposed to be here. It wasn't supposed to survive its encounter with the sun. And yet, it did. After the first interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, scientists thought they had seen the strangest thing the cosmos could offer. Then came Borisov, another interstellar comet. But 3I Atlas was different. Unlike the others, it didn't just pass by. It slowed down. It turned, almost as if it was observing us. At first, no one at NASA wanted to believe the data. The readings from the Hubble telescope were blurry, inconsistent, but the pattern was clear. The object had changed its trajectory after leaving the sun's gravitational pull. That shouldn't be possible, unless something or someone was controlling it. When it entered the inner solar system again in early November, everything changed. For the first time, simulations showed a possibility that chilled even the most experienced space scientists. 3I Atlas could collide with the moon. If that happens, the consequences would be catastrophic. The moon, our silent guardian, stabilizing Earth's tides and seasons, could become a source of chaos. Imagine an impact so powerful that it lights up the lunar surface brighter than any explosion ever witnessed. Dust and molten debris launched into space, some of it falling back on Earth days later, a cosmic rain of ash and rock. NASA's emergency meeting was called within hours. High-level officials, planetary defense experts, even Space Force commanders, all gathered in a secured conference room at the Johnson Space Center. They ran dozens of impact simulations. Most ended the same way. The moon remains intact, but Earth suffers. Because if the impact hits at the wrong angle, the moon's orbit could shift, just slightly, but enough to throw our planet's gravitational balance into chaos. Tides could rise higher than skyscrapers, storm systems could grow unrecognizable, and Earth's day length might even change. Forever. But that's not the only fear. 3I Atlas is not behaving like a rock. It's releasing strange pulses, bursts of radio energy, repeating at irregular intervals. NASA's Deep Space Network detected one such signal last week. A low, rhythmic hum that seemed to echo across frequencies, almost like a beacon. No one knows if it's natural or artificial, but it's coming from the exact direction of 3I Atlas. Meanwhile, private observatories from Chile, India, and Japan have confirmed the object's brightness is increasing, a sign that it's venting material or changing shape. Some believe it's disintegrating. Others think it's activating. The current prediction from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory shows a potential lunar encounter window in 6 weeks. 6 weeks until humanity might witness the most dramatic event in modern history. The last time something this big hit the moon was billions of years ago, when it was still forming. That collision shaped the craters we see today. But 3I Atlas is bigger than anything natural we've seen approach the moon in recorded time. The official statement says there's no immediate danger to Earth. But behind the scenes, insiders are whispering something very different. One anonymous engineer from the Artemis Mission Control said, "We're preparing for a scenario we never thought we'd have to. If the moon gets hit, our satellites, GPS systems, everything could go dark. Even for a few minutes. That's global chaos." NASA is already working with SpaceX and Blue Origin on emergency contingencies. Lunar orbiters are being repositioned, new telescopes have been activated to monitor every flicker of light from the mysterious traveler. The Pentagon has classified parts of the mission data. Officially, they're calling it routine analysis. Unofficially, it's being treated as a planetary defense alert. Meanwhile, conspiracy theorists online are exploding with speculation. Some say 3I Atlas isn't a rock at all. It's a probe, a messenger, sent to test us or to awaken something buried on the moon. One theory suggests it's linked to ancient lunar anomalies, the so-called Aristarchus lights, strange flashes observed for centuries on the moon's surface. What if those were not geological phenomena, but signals? And now with 3I Atlas approaching, those same lunar coordinates are glowing again. NASA's official live stream briefly captured it, a bright pulse from the Aristarchus region, before the feed went dark. When the stream returned, that frame was gone. Coincidence? Maybe. But why would a space agency remove live data during a critical tracking moment? Experts like Dr. Brian Pox and Neil deGrasse Tyson have weighed in, saying, if 3I Atlas were to hit the moon, the physics of that impact would release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. The shockwave would not destroy Earth, but it would shake our atmosphere. The night sky would light up for weeks, and perhaps we'd never see the moon the same way again. NASA's last internal report warned of one more alarming detail, something not shared with the public yet. The object's core temperature is rising. It's heating up, not from the sun, but from within, like something inside it is alive or waking up. Now, countdowns are running quietly in control rooms around the world. Every telescope on Earth is locked onto one object, the silent wanderer from another star, racing toward our moon. If 3I Atlas impacts, the event will be visible from every corner of the planet. It will be the brightest light in the night sky, a sight of beauty, terror, and mystery. And if it misses, we still won't be safe, because every new trajectory brings it closer to Earth's orbital path. NASA is calling it the Lunar Proximity Event. But behind closed doors, they're preparing for something far worse. Something that could rewrite our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Until then, the world watches. The clocks tick. And in the dark beyond the stars, 3I Atlas keeps moving.
In the silent blackness of space, something is coming. Something ancient, cold, and fast. It's not a myth. It's not a rumor. NASA has officially confirmed the interstellar object known as 3I Atlas has just changed course again. And this time, its trajectory could make it collide directly with our moon. If that happens, the impact would be beyond terrifying.